Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, so one of the big things that's going around right now is AI, which is artificial intelligence. And what you can do is you can create graphics, images from text to media or to image, shall I say. So, for example, you can type in, beautiful woman playing in the garden, and the AI software or app that you may be using will take those words and create an image based off of the words that you're using. So what I use Creative Fabrica. They just started with the create your designs, and they have what they call Creative Fabrica Spark. Okay, and you can use that to create AI, okay, or to generate AI. So, Creative Fabrica is a really great site. If you haven't used it before, you can check it out for free. They also give you a lot of freebies. So you get all freebies, fonts, SVGs, graphics, embroidery, and classes. So check that out. They have a subscription that you can become a part of where you can pay $9 per month, or you can get all access for $79.99 per year. Okay. And I'll link my affiliate code in the description. That will give you a little bit of a discount if you choose to sign up with Creative Fabrica. But for someone that's new, or if you've been in the crafting game for a while, this will benefit you because it keeps everything in one place and you don't have to keep going to these different sites to find fonts or graphics or, what have you. So I'm going to show you today just a couple of ways that you can generate AI using Creative Fabrica Spark. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do once you get access, you will go to Tools in your menu, and you're going to select Create Your Own Designs. When you do that, it's going to take you into Creative Fabrica Spark, and you can see here that I've created my own account. I do have the monthly subscription, and you're going to have a menu here on the left side that will give you the ability to create. This is where you're going to generate your AI. Once you generate AIs and you publish your images, then it's going to be shown up under your images. So when I go to my images, you'll be able to see all of the images here that I've generated using text. You know, you just type in what you're looking for, and then the software is going to generate the image for you or create the image for you. The good thing about this is you can use the same words that someone else is using, but you're not going to get the same image. So that's the really great thing about this. Okay. So let's go back here. Um, and then if you have people that you follow, if you're already a Creative Fabrica member and you follow others on Creative Fabrica, I don't know why I can't say that word this morning, then you can go to your personal feed and see what those people are doing. None of the people that I follow are a part of Creative Fabrica, so hopefully that will change after today. But I would love for you to join my personal feed on Creative Fabrica. You can see what I'm doing, you can see what images I'm creating, you can use some of the keywords that I'm using to help you to generate your AI as well. You can also go to the community feed if you don't have a personal feed. And this is where you will be able to see what others are doing. It's going to give you the name of the creator. It's going to tell you what keywords they typed in to get this image. You can copy those, and I'll show you how if the person has this on where you can copy what keywords they use to kind of help you out until you get really familiar with the software. And then you have a prompt book. This is really helpful because if you don't know really what to put in, you can come out and read this information on building a prompt, and it tells you exactly, if you type this in, this is what you're going to get. Okay. And so I'm not going to go through all that, but it's just giving you some keywords. So we could take, if we're looking for humans and characters, we could take this and we can put it into the create tool and it will generate an image for us. So we're going to do that here in just a moment. And then if you need help with the software, they do have all the information here to tell you what is CF Spark, how do you use it, so on and so forth. But I'm going to try to cut out some of this for you today just by showing you how to use it, but definitely come here and read this for yourself so that you can stay in the know because that's how you grow. Okay. All right, so when I was in the prompt book, notice that I did highlight this prompt that was here up under humans and characters. So what I'm going to do, just in case, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to go to create. Now, when I go to create, it says, what would you like to create with CF Spark? So in this blank field here, I'm going to paste in what I just copied, okay? And then I'm going to click on Ignite. Now, right now, I have this on 1 of 1, so it's going to give me 1 line, but you can also do 2 lines with 3 images, so on and so forth. I'm going to leave it on 1 of 1. And I'm going to click on Ignite. And what it's doing is it is now generating an image based off of these words right here. Now, when you get an image like this, that means that it could be compromised, meaning it could be a nude picture or something like that. So you definitely don't want to use those. Okay. So based on the words that I use, portrait of a beautiful pale Gothic Madden, Warhammer 40,000, cyberpunk, intricate, elegant, so on and so forth, this is what it generated based off of those words. Now, to clear this out, if you say, no, that's not what I want, or that I'm not looking for that image, you could go back and just click on Ignite and start again. None of those images that you just saw would be saved or anything. They're gone. Okay. Now, if you come here and you say, oh, I really like this one. This one is really cute. So we could look at it. Yeah, I like the colors. Then you can click on Publish. When you click on Publish, that means it's now going to be saved over to your creations. So I'm going to show you here. Okay, so now when I go to my creations, and sometimes it'll take a minute before it'll pop up, but it'll pop up here in just a moment. So while I'm waiting for it to pop up there, I'm going to go back for just a second just to show you how you can open that image. So I have published this now, which is the same as saving it to my creations. So I'm going to click on Open. And when you click on Open, it's going to give you the ability to download this image to your computer. You do have commercial usage allowed based on your subscription. You can share the image, right here with your friends. You can copy the link that'll take you directly to the image. And you can also indicate if you want others to be able to see what words you use to find this image. If you don't, then you can click here and say prompt visible only to me. And that means that people will be able to see this image, but they won't be able to see the keywords that you use to locate that image. So that's totally up to you, but that's an option. But this would now, since I clicked on download, it would be saved over in my downloads. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Tools, Create Your Own Design. And we're going to look in my creations. And there's the image. So now I have that image saved over with the rest of the images that I've created. And again, guys, someone else could take those same keywords. They're not going to get this image. They are not going to get this image. It's kind of like having someone, you go in to have a dress made, and that dress is made specifically tailored for you. There's one of a kind of that particular dress made. That's the way AI works. Okay. So what I'm going to show you now that I've shown you how to generate your art, now we're going to go back and I'm going to go back here to my main page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to community feed. So for those of you that say, well, I don't really know what to type in to really get the images that I'm looking for, you can go to community feed and you can see what others are doing and just kind of scroll through. And if you see an image that you like, then you may say, you know what, I'm going to copy that and see what I get. Okay. So any of these where the creator has shared the keywords that they're using, you'll be able to just like lay your cursor over the image and it's going to show you what prompt they use to get this image. And you can actually click this little icon right here and it's going to copy that prompt text to make it easy for you so you don't have to go trying to write down stunning rendition whimsical Christmas woman with deer antler. You don't have to write that down. You can copy the words that they use to get this image. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here. That's really beautiful. That is really beautiful. And you can, heart and show some love to the creators out here. My computer is going slow today. But sometimes you'll lay your cursor over an image and it won't give you the prompt, and that's because the creator is not sharing those keywords with you. Okay. But for the most part, you do find some really good ones out here. Okay, let's just use this one and see what we get. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back to create. We're going to paste that right into our field here and click on ignite and see what we get. And again, it's not going to give me that same image. Creative Fabrica Spark, the AI, is going to create an image specifically tailored for us based off of those keywords. My computer is showing out today. Not my computer, but my internet. And I'm going to show you that it doesn't have to be anything. Oh, that is really pretty. That is really pretty. So, guys, when you're looking for backgrounds and things like that, you can come out here and create your very own so that you can have a one of a kind. I don't really care for those, but, they're unique in their own way. But it doesn't have to be anything super detailed. You can type in cat in the garden with a dog. And look at that. Okay. And you can get realistic images, you can get animated looking images, cartoon like images. It's based on whatever you type in this field to generate that image. Okay. So, really, 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 really a great tool. This is a really great tool to have so that you can, create your own images and not use, have to keep paying others for their images. Christmas time is getting ready to come. You can get some really, really great images based off of what type of card you're trying to send. You got someone that really loves cats, someone that really loves cats and dogs, and they're always playing in the garden. Bam, there's your image. Okay. Or if you don't like it, you just click on ignite again, and it's going to give you 4 additional images that you can actually choose from. If you find that you're not getting what you want, then you want to keep building out words to help you. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my creations. And I am going to copy this prompt. Okay, so I don't have to remember it or anything like that. I'm just going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back to create an image. So I'm going to paste that prompt that I just copied, paste it, and I'm going to ignite. And you're going to see it's not going to give me the very same image that I already have. Okay. So that's what the AI generated based on brown skin, magical full face, pretty big eyes, realistic details, angel babies, Christmas snow cocoa twins. That's what it actually gave me. Aw, so cute. Okay. And if I wanted to save these images, then I would publish them and they would end up in my creations. Okay. And I could always go back to look at the words that I use based on those images that I created. I could always go back and copy that link again. Now, if I deleted this out and I said, oh man, I meant to use that again, all you do is come down here. As long as you haven't left this page, you can come back to use again, and it's going to put those words right back into your search field, and you just click on Ignite. Oh, those are so pretty. Oh my God, look at that. Isn't she adorable? I have to publish her. Oh my, she's adorable. And they're adorable too. See, I'm gonna run into problems because I'm not. This is you already know what I'm gonna be doing this weekend. Nothing but Creative Fabrica Spark. That's it. AI. That is it, and that is all, and that is the answer. Oh, look at their little faces. All right. So that is how you can go in and generate artificial you can go in and create your AI. Again, this software is still new. This is the best time for you to start using this so that you can get really, really good at what keywords work for you. Um, if I click off and I say, oh, I meant to publish that one. Like I think these two are really cute. They're still here even though they're not in my creations, and they're giving me the ability to now click on publish. Okay. So anyone that comes through the community feed will be able to see the images that I created, okay, based off of the keywords. So I'm going to show you here. I'm going to go to community feed, and I'm going to say sort by latest. And hopefully my computer won't stop searching because it's acting crazy today. And I know yesterday when I was using sort by latest, it was taking forever to come up. So I stayed on sort by popularity. All right, let's go by popularity. Yeah, my computer, I think I have too much open. But those images are going to show up in the community feed. Okay. Once they show up in the community feed, you others will be able to just click on copy that prompt text and use that to generate their little cocoa twins. They won't look like mine, but they will get their own generated for them. Let's try one more time to see if we can get the latest to pop up. But like I said, if you can't find what you're looking for, it's because you have to broaden your word search. Okay. You want to add more keywords to what you're looking for. I'm going to go back here and you can see these have now been added to mine. And I absolutely, let me show you this one image that I absolutely fell in love with. I fell in love with this one. So I'm going to copy this prompt. Okay. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to create based on that. Okay. So remember, once you leave it and come back, your previous search is going to be here. Okay, so don't panic and say, man, I can't remember what I typed in. All you have to do is just click on this link that says use again, and it's going to place these keywords into your search field, just like that. Okay, but that's not what I wanted to do. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that one that I just used. Now, where you see here where it says Charlie Bowater and Wes Anderson, those are creators that people have found their painting or artwork really, really good. And so I've noticed that there's some of the heavy hitters. A lot of people use their names in their searches and they get really great results. So that's just a little key there. But these are probably people that are are in that person's personal feed that they follow. Okay. So we're going to ignite and see what we get. Oh, look at there. Isn't she cute? Y'all, I'm going to get so stuck on this. Christmas time is coming. Oh my God. All right, so this is it, guys. Like I said, this is how you can use those keywords. Now, if you're looking in here and the keywords, you don't have to go up here to try to figure out what keywords you're using. You can go here and see that you're using African American, angelic, magical Christmas, pretty, whimsical, Christmas, holly, fairy, curly hair, cute angel, baby. Now, you don't have to get this detailed, guys. It's really up to you based on how detailed you want that image to be. Okay. So you could come here and just say, take out African American and just say angelic. Here we go. I'm sorry, I tried to take it out in the wrong place. So go up to your search field, highlight what you want to remove, and just delete it. And now ignite and see what you get. Aww, look at those little faces. So pretty. Y'all already know I'm publishing her because she's too adorable. Little redhead. Aww. All right, so that's it, guys. I wanted to show you how to go in here and how to use Creative Spark, Creative Fabrica Spark. And like I said, I'm going to put my affiliate link in the description where your title is, guys. Always check out my descriptions because a lot of times when you're asking me what image did I use or what software am I using, a lot of times I've linked all that information in the description field. So a lot of times I don't re-answer those questions because I do state when I'm doing the tutorials that you're gonna find links in the description. So always go to the description. If you're not sure where the description is, I'm gonna show you right quick here, and hopefully this doesn't mess up my video. Sometimes when I go to other sites, I'll get a black screen, so hopefully that doesn't happen. But when you go to my channel, look at that, guys. I'm at 8,000 subscribers. I'm so excited about that, guys. I remember when I first started out and got serious about doing my videos on YouTube. When I got 500, I was excited. And now I'm at 8,000. And I know it's not 100,000, but it's my 100,000. Okay. But yeah, when you go to look at a video channel, always, 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 always look in the description. So right here where it says show more, la 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 la. I think I'm going in the wrong way. Hold on one second. Skip, 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 skip. Oh, here it is. So right here, I show you the heat gun that I'm using. I give you the tumbler that I'm using, and all you have to do is click on those links, and it's going to take you and answer those questions that you're asking. Okay, so always check the description there for that. All right, so again, Creative Fabrica Spark. I'm going to put my affiliate code in the description. You can click on that. That will give you a bit of a discount if you decide to join Creative Fabrica. Like I said, it's $9 per month, but you will get a bit of a discount using the affiliate link. And you can also pay $79. Again, you'll get a discount if you use the affiliate link for the entire year. But then if you do that, it gives you access to everything in Creative Fabrica without having to worry about, have I used up, all of the images that I can download for this month, so on and so forth. But Create, that's where you're going to go and put your keywords in. You don't even have to get really, really detailed, guys. If you're just looking for a dog, just type in dog and hit ignite. Okay. If you want to get specific, let's see what happens. Maine Coon, big old cat. Okay. So you don't have to get very detailed. It's just based on whatever words you type in, that's going to dictate what type of image you're going to get. If you want to get very, very detailed, then you want to start getting down to additional, keywords that may help you get what you're actually looking for. Okay, so they give you more of an animated look of a Maine Coon. Okay, so it just depends on what you're looking for. Once you generate an image, to save it to your creation so that that's your image now, then you publish it. And that will then end up in your personal feed. Okay, excuse me, in your My Creations. And then personal feed are people that you are following. The community feed is just everyone that's crafting or creating in Creative Fabrica Spark here. Prompt book, again, will help you with how to type in a prompt to locate images or generate images that you want. And then also, like I said, go back to the Help Center, read this, watch the video, look at everything in its detail, and it's going to give you all the information you need to know about Creative Fabrica Spark, even though I've already shown you how to use it. Okay. And like I said, once you pay for the monthly subscription or the yearly subscription, you do get the commercial license associated with these images. Okay, you do get the commercial license with these images. So now if I go over to My Creations and I click on one of the images, it's going to show you here the commercial usage allowed. Okay, and then if you click on that, it tells you all about the subscription for those commercial licenses. Okay, so that's that. And like I said, you can share your image directly here via all your social media. You can also download your image. You can copy that link if you want to use it and paste it somewhere else. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, she's adorable. But see here, this is the thing. You see how the person, it says this prompt is hidden by its creator. So you can't get the words that they use to generate that image. Same thing here. So some of them will be hidden, but a lot of them will be open so you can see what words that person used. Like here, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to go back and generate my own images. And there's another pretty one. Okay, so this is the main page. All I did, instead of generating any AI, I just came down and started looking. So let me just see what I get real quick based off of that link that I just copied. Let's see what my image looked like. Oh, she's pretty. She is pretty. Look at that. Look at the detail on that. Love it. All right. All right, guys. So I'm going to just really quickly, because I know some may ask. So under My Creations, I'm going to go in and I'm going to click on this little cutie right here. I'm going to go ahead and download, and it's here in my bottom left corner. And it jumped over to my second screen here, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and extract it. So you do have to extract these just like you would with any other image, like when you're downloading images off of Etsy or fonts, off what the font, you do have to extract your files. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to my downloads. And there she is. Right there. There her is. Okay. So I could take that image and go right into Cricut Design Space, or, whatever software you're going to be using. I could go right in and use that image. So if I now go to upload image, browse, and continue, I now have that image in Cricut Design Space that I generated from Creative Fabrica Spark. Okay. I got my image, and you can increase the size and all that good stuff, just like you normally would. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my God. Anyway, guys, that's it. That is all. I wanted to show you how to do that. I promised my Facebook group that I would show them how I generated the AI using Creative Fabrica Spark. And guys, you can do this. You can generate AI via computers. There's also apps out there that you can use. Jasper is one of them if you want to take a look at that. But I just wanted to make it simple on myself without having to use it. But I can pull up Creative Fabrica and do this on my mobile phone as well. So that's just another, you know, way to go. All right. But yeah, that's it. And that's all, guys. I can take this and I can now use this image wherever I want to in Cricut Design Space, Microsoft PowerPoint, Word, what have you. I have my own image. And now when people say, where did you get that image from? Oh, I created it. Doesn't that sound much better than saying you bought it off of Etsy? That's just me. But anyway, all right, guys. And just to tell you guys, I was actually going to pay someone to teach me how to use or generate AI. And then I was like, you know what, Doris, girl, you got this. Just do your research. And I taught myself. And now I'm teaching you. And hey, there you go. Okay. All right. So it's not always about paying people to show you how to do something, guys. Just Google it, YouTube it, watch some videos and teach yourself and play around with it. I did this teaching myself all on yesterday, and now here I am trying to show you. So the better I get at it, the more I will come out and share tutorials with you um, and help you along the way. All right. So that's it. Hey guys, if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to thank you so much for the love and support that you show via my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the first time and you like my method of teaching, I have over 350 videos or video tutorials on crafting, all different types of crafting on my YouTube channel. Then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please tell others about my YouTube channel. I also have a Facebook group called Ken Doris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. I'm going to type it here because I know it is a mouthful. So it is Ken Doris's Cricut and I don't know what I'm doing. This is gonna look a mess. Hold on, y'all. I'm going all off the grid. Okay. And Creative Crafters. That is the name of my Facebook group. And for those that are already on my Facebook channel, thank you guys so much for trusting in me to lead you along the way of your journey of crafting. You know, I have people that have been with me since I started my group way back when, and we are all about helping others. It is not um, a show and tell where we show but we don't tell. Anytime I upload work that I've done, no one has to put an F for following because I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, just like here. Okay. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for following me via Facebook and the love and support and continuing to be great members on my Facebook group. And I'd love to have more to join us. And again, it's Ken Dorsey's Cricket and Creative Crafters. It's not just about me, but it's about you. You're creative just like I am. Okay. All right, guys, that's it. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. And you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye.